Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to customize headers in Weebly. If you've been looking to give your website a more polished and personalized look, adjusting your headers is a great place to start. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, sign into your Weebly account using your credentials. This will bring you to your homepage where you can manage all your website projects. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu with several options. Look for the one labeled website and click on it. This section gives you access to all the sites you've created under your account. Under the website option, you'll find a button that says Edit Site. Go ahead and click on that. If you have multiple websites, you'll be prompted to choose which one you want to work on. Select the site you'd like to edit, then look over to the right side of the screen. You should see an Edit button there. Click it to open your site editor, which is where all the customization happens. Once you're in the editor, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Find and click on the option labeled Pages. This will display all the pages that currently exist on your website. Now, before we start customizing the header, we need to make sure the header you want to edit is actually visible. Click on the page where you want to make changes. This opens the settings for that specific page. In the settings, look for an option called Header Type. Click on it to see what kind of header is currently applied to this page. This is an important step because if it's set to no header, you won't be able to customize anything. Make sure you select a header type that allows customization. Now that your header is visible and ready to edit, go back up to the top menu and click on Build. This is where the real fun begins. The Build section gives you access to a variety of tools you can use to customize your header. You can add text to make it more descriptive, insert images to make it visually appealing, or explore other options that suit your design vision. Play around with these tools until your header reflects the style and message you want to convey. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your header in Weebly, giving your site a fresh, personalized touch. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.